Hi guys, this is Yvon Donko, Senior Consultant at XRM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, Dynamics 365 and more. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a polymorphic lookup, okay, using XRM Toolbox, okay, to easily create a polymorphic lookup. So a polymorphic lookup is a field that can be related to several entities at the same time, okay? So if you have a polymorphic lookup, it can be linked to event entity, campaign entity, and even custom entities. So I'm going to show you how to create that. XRM Toolbox is a tool, a free tool that you can download on internet in order to easily create a polymorphic lookup. It's not the only thing or the single thing you can create with XRM Toolbox. You can create several other things easily, okay, than doing it directly into Dynamics 365. We will also see a simple example, an existing case, and we'll try to reproduce it on another entity. So we'll create a project with entity, with activity entity. Okay, so this is the name of the entity we'll create. And on this entity, we will create some fields, okay? We will create a lookup on a project entity, an existing project entity. We will have a regarding, what I call regarding is a polymorphic lookup. A polymorphic lookup pointing on campaign and event entities, okay? We will add a simple text area description field. After that, we will add a grid, okay, on the project entity pointing on our project with activity. So this is our scenario, okay? So first of all, from here you can download XRM Toolbox, okay? You just click on download latest version and you have it. Once you download, you will unzip the file and then you will run this XRM Toolbox application to make it run. It's opening. Just wait a while. It's opening. Okay, it's open. So when it is open, the first thing to do is to connect, okay? So I have already created a connection here. It is very easy. You just click on connect. You click on new connection and you can select this first one if you want to connect with your password and login, okay? You click here. You will enter the organization here. Organization, in my case, here I will enter, let me show you, REN 21 dev, okay? REN 21 dev. I will put it here, but you see we have a 4 after the CAM, so we'll add 4 here, okay? From here we will add okay, we can even create a new connection, even though I've already created one. So let us click on next. Now I should provide the username, okay, and the password. This is the password already. So I copy this, I put it here, and if I check this box and I click on next. It's connecting. Connection validated, so it works well. Now I can give a name to my connection. So to easily connect next time, I will need to perform the same thing. So let us say connection for connection 21. Okay, it's up to you. I click on finish. Okay, so let me close this one. Okay, so when it is open like this, you can go on tool library. Okay, tool. No, first of all, you can go on equals. No, not manage connection. Tool library, yes. So you look for polymorphic lookup creator. If it is not already installed, you will install from now. For now, it is already installed. Okay. So then you can go on tools. These are the installed tools. I look for polymorphic lookup manager. I click on it, and it is loading metadata, as you can see. Then I will select solution. This is the solution. I will select referencing table. Okay, before to continue from here, let me explain you better what we want to achieve. These are two entities. Okay, we have a project entity here. It is opening. We have our project entity. So maybe this one. Okay, so from here, this is a grid. Okay, this is a grid, and we have also project with role. Okay, if I select this one, this is a polymorphic lookup regarding. Okay, so from here you can select, this is a project, this is an event, okay, and this is a campaign. So we will try to create something similar. Okay, so we will try to create something similar. So first thing to do, let us create our entity. Okay, we can go from here, and we are on table and new table. I will name it project with activity. Okay, I can click on save to record my new table or entity. It is recording. Just wait a while. It is recording. Okay, now it is recorded. And I go on column. Okay, let us add the description, which is a simple text area description. Let us say it is text area. We save. After the description, let us create a lookup on project. We'll call it project also. It is saving. So let us wait a little bit so that the save complete for us to create our lookup. And after that, we will use XRM Toolbox to create the polymorphic field or the regarding field. Okay, so it is saved. We do new project. This will be a lookup. Okay, related table, we will say project, this project. Okay, click save. Then while it is saving, you are not going to wait. We come here. Since our project with activity is already created, let us look for it here. Project with activity. Let us see. Referencing table. Okay. We have the prefix. Project with role. Okay, I need a refresh. Okay, I need a refresh. Let me try to close this and I simply run it again. Okay, so this is connection 21. Okay, this is the connection we have created. I just select it and now it will load the latest data and we'll be able to see our project with activity. That is what I want. So let us go on here. Okay, I select my solution, referencing table. Now I should see project with task. No, I want project with activity. Okay, this is our project with activity. So from here, I will select create new polymorphic lookup. Display name, I'm just going to say regarding. Okay, regarding, and from here, regarding for. Okay, now from here you just pick up the entities. Okay, you will be able to select on this lookup. I want to be able to select even. This is the even. I also want to select a campaign. Okay, you can add more, it is up to you. Once you select all the field or the entities, you click on create polymorphic lookup. So I click on it, creating polymorphic lookup. So let us wait, it finishes. Okay, it has been added, that is fine. Login metadata. Now I can go here and if I refresh, I will be able to see that regarding field pointing on even and campaign. Okay, so let us see, it's refreshing. I should have all my field. Okay, so this is our regarding. See, it is a lookup, so it is well created. Now let us work maybe on the view, active project with activity, in order to add our column on the view. We can add the regarding. Okay, and it's enough, it's up to you, you can add more. I click on save and I click on publish. Click on save and then publish. The thing is working. Once it will be published, I will now go on the form, okay, on the form to create my subgrid. Okay, so I click on back, I come here, I will now go on forms, I go on form, no, I now go on form. Okay, no, what is it? I want to click on form, not on dashboard. Okay, so I click on my main form. I click on my main, it's opening. Okay, so I will add a subgrid pointing on project with activity that carry my regarding. Okay, so we can add our description, we can add our project, we can add our regarding. Let us start by we put the project at the top, then the regarding, then we can put the name at the top, then the description. Okay, so now it is okay. Let us add our subgrid. We come here, okay, and we will click on subgrid. No. We will add the subgrid rather on the project. Sorry. So let me click on save and publish. Okay, because I want to see. Oh, we will also go on the model driver. On the we will also need, to add the project with activity from here, and we will rather add a subgrid on the project. Okay, on the project. So we have contacts subgrid here. We will also add our we will call it campaign or event. Okay, we call that subgrid like this. We will name it like that. So let us go back here. It is okay, so we can go back. Now I need to go on the project. Let me look for project or project entity. This is the project. Now I go on forms, and on this form I will add my subgrid. Okay, so you see this is our contact subgrid. Okay, now I will click here and add another subgrid, maybe at the top. Okay, now I check this box, show related. I need project with activity. Okay, this is the default view. I click on done. So where is my control? This is our subgrid. Let us name it campaign or event. Okay, so let us save and publish. Let us save and publish once. Okay, let me refresh this. Let me refresh. Okay, the thing is working. Okay, Okay, let us look for our normally I should see my subgrid. It's wet. Let me see. This is the contact subgrid. I don't see the other one. No issue. Let us click here again. I click on subgrid. I should be able to see project with activity. Yes. Click on done. Let us first make sure that we see it here. What is going on? It's a little bit wet. I should see it. Okay, no issue. Let us go on the side map to add. We will add it here. Component. Let me reduce. To reduce it a little bit. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Sorry. Just a minute. So now I need to add a sub area. Oops. Helping a little bit. Okay. Okay. Project with role. This is my group. I need to drag and drop project with activity here. Okay. Oops. Sorry, because my face is there. It's a little bit difficult to navigate. Okay, from here is an entity, of course. Here is project with activity. Okay, I can click on save, and then I will publish the thing. Publish. Okay, now it is there. So let us come here and refresh. Try to refresh the thing and see if we have our project with activity here. Not yet. Let me refresh again. Okay, let us see. Okay, we have project with activity. Let us click on it. No data. This is correct. Let us add a new. I name it like this. Let us say it is this project SAA. Okay, this is our regarding field. Okay, our regarding field. This is a campaign. This is event. Okay, so it is pointing on campaign and event. It works well. So let us say this campaign description. I write what I want there. I click on save and close. So our regarding field is well created. So let us click here and we go on the project. We don't have that subgrid. I don't know what happened. We have well added it, but I don't see it. Why? So let us go back here. Let me deep refresh. We try to add it again, because it is something very simple. Let us see. Even now we don't see our subgrid. Okay, so let us try to add it again. So from here, subgrid, maybe I should try to drag and drop like that. Related record, project with activity, done. Let us see, I should be able to see it. Okay, so this is the thing. I call it campaign or event. Okay, just like that. Save and publish. Save and publish. And then I will refresh the thing and I will be able to see it. Okay, so I just come here and I refresh. I will be able to see my subgrid there. Okay, so let us see. Not yet there. We need to refresh again. So it's not an issue, it's normal. The thing is refreshing. Empty the cache and so on. So let us see. Okay, this is our campaign or event. Okay, so it works well, and thank you for watching, and see you next time for another video. Thanks guys.